Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors here, up on a wood shake roof in Highlands Ranch, Colorado. Now these wood shake roofs are really brittle, and look, there's cracks all over the place, right? And you do not want to damage these any further if you ever have to get up on one. I don't, do a small repair yourself, hang some Christmas lights, whatever the reason may be. So I'm going to show you real quick how to walk on a wood shake roof. For one thing, they're really slippery, much more slippery than asphalt shingle roofs, okay? Even more slippery, especially when they're wet, than like concrete tile roofs or anything like that. So what you want to do is make sure they're dry, all right? So you're talking not in the morning, and you want to walk on the part that is the least steep, right? So as you can see right here where the valley comes down and then it bends right here, the pitch of this roof changes from pretty steep to only a little steep, right? So just try to walk on that part as much as possible. And the other thing you want to do is if you put your feet way up on the top, it's less dangerous than if you put them way down here on the bottom, because these have actually curled up a little bit over time. And so if you're walking on this edge right here, you've got a severe chance of making them crack across the top, or at least splitting them, right here, because this part is actually come away from the roof a little bit. So you want to walk where it's least likely to make them bend the wrong way, right? So see where my foot is right there, right up at the top. So that's like the opposite of walking on, let me show you my feet. The opposite of walking on concrete tile roof, because on a concrete tile roof, you want to walk on this part down here. Wood shake, you're trying to walk up here, okay? So, anybody have any, and you might hear some shifting and movement when you walk on them, like you might have just heard right now, but if I look back, no new fresh cracks, okay? So, that's how you walk on a wood shake roof. Stay safe, everybody. Have a good one.